Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Temperatures are coming down quickly this evening, already dropping down to freezing in many areas. 30 at 7 o'clock with 28 at 9 and 27 degrees. At 11 p.m. We'll have mostly clear skies, just a few passing high clouds for a little while early this evening, and then get back to just plain old partly cloudy skies tonight. That'll be the situation tomorrow, although maybe a little bit more in way of mostly cloudy later in the day. And 28 at 8 o'clock with 44 degrees at noon and 49 at 5. We'll be up around 50, upper 40s, low 50s tomorrow. A cold night ahead, dropping into the 20s, but milder on Tuesday with high temperatures near 50. Rain develops Tuesday night, continues on Wednesday in our weather headlines, and then that rain goes over to freezing rain and sleet. That'll be Wednesday night as shallow Arctic air starts to build in, and then that mix goes over to snow on Thursday as that depth of that cold air continues to get thicker. And as far as the ice potential, well, definitely icing likely along on either side of Interstate 70 there for tens of miles. And then once you get up toward Mercer and Auglaize counties, perhaps a half foot to a foot of snow if it stays all snow and you don't get as much of that freezing rain and sleet mixed in, but that can really cut down the totals. That can also mean quite a bit of variation across our region. Here's a computer model snowfall forecast. As we go into Thursday, you can see Thursday morning some snow accumulations up northwest, and that's where the heaviest amounts are. And then you get down here toward the Dayton area. Look at the sharp cutoff by the time you get to Xenia, so that's all a function of that ice that's going to be mixed in there, and obviously 5, 10, 15 miles difference in where that line is will mean all the difference in the forecast, and we just can't get that kind of resolution 72 hours out in the future. Lows tonight, we're going to see temperatures dropping down into the low to mid 20s, and then high temperatures or low temperatures tonight in the southern part of the Miami Valley, right around 25 here in Dayton. Winds pick up a little bit tonight, so wind chill numbers do drop into the mid-teens later on, and then those high temperatures tomorrow, upper 40s to even the low 50s over the southern half of the Miami Valley, Oxford, Springboro, Wilmington above 50 degrees. Highs on Wednesday, a lot of these will be morning high temperatures because readings will hold steady, even start to fall later in the day. It's dry tonight on the SVG Motors camera located up in Greenville. Dry weather on live Doppler 2 HD. You can see some of those scattered clouds moving in, high pressure overhead. There's a warm front coming through. That'll bring us the warm up first, but right behind it, another shot of that cold Arctic air headed in our direction. 33 currently in Dayton with a wind chill factor at 27. Our weather checkers tonight, Jeff Cadora, Bell Center at 27. Bill Telsera out in the Fairborn Beaver Creek area already down to 33. Here come the clouds. They'll move in. We'll get back to partly cloudy skies at first tonight. And same situation tomorrow. Then finally, you can see that wintry mix starts to move our way. Rain at first on Wednesday, and then here comes the colder air in the northern part of the Miami Valley, starting to make that transition over to some snow and eventually that freezing rain pushing on south. Partly cloudy tonight, down to 25 degrees. It'll be a cold night, and then look for Wednesday's high temperature, tomorrow's high temperature 50 with partly cloudy skies. 42 turning colder on Wednesday with that wintry mix developing, and then that wintry mix over to snow, icy conditions Thursday. Colder on Friday, chance of flurries. Could be around 0 Saturday morning, chance of snow showers Sunday.